The Micsig ATO Series Automotive Oscilloscope is a professional tool designed specifically for automotive repair and electronic diagnostics. The ATO Series offers bandwidth options of 100 MHz, 200 MHz, and 300 MHz, with up to 2 GSA/S sampling rate, delivering accurate and reliable waveform capture. Today, let's unbox the Micsig Automotive Oscilloscope together. In addition to the oscilloscope unit, the package includes the following accessories. The ATO Series is only about 5 cm thick, making it portable and durable, easy to carry in a backpack. Built-in 7500 mAh lithium battery, providing up to 5 hours of operation, ideal for on-site automotive diagnostics. A 10.1-inch high-definition touchscreen combined with an intuitive user interface makes operation simple and efficient. The oscilloscope includes multiple interfaces such as USB, Type-C, and HDMI, making it easy to connect external devices and export data. It also comes with a built-in automotive diagnostic software package, allowing tests on common vehicle systems such as charging and starting circuits, sensors, actuators, and ignition systems. Next, let's briefly demonstrate the basic operation of the oscilloscope. Connect the probe to the oscilloscope channel, and then connect the probe to the measurement point. Adjust the time base and vertical scale. The signal waveform will now appear clearly and stably on the screen. If you need to compare multiple signals, you can enable multiple channels simultaneously. After the test, you can directly save waveforms, take screenshots, or even record videos. The ATO Series also supports remote control via mobile devices or PC, as well as SEPI automation testing. Whether it's a traditional fuel vehicle or a new energy vehicle, electronic signals can be diagnosed efficiently using an oscilloscope. Portable, powerful, professional. That's the Micsig ATO Series.